Well, we finally did it. We added another Bambu Lab printer to the business.
We already have the X1 Carbon and the P1S.
And now, we got the H2S.
If you're new to the channel, I'm Mandy, this is Clay, and together we own a small 3D printing business.
Quick disclaimer, we're working on our CAD skills, but they're not quite there yet. So we find designers who have beautiful things that we'd like to make. We pay them in Patreon or other ways to buy their designs, and then we print them and sell them. We don't design anything.
I mean, we
do design
We
some
do
things,
design
but
some things,
we're
but not on the
working-
scale of what we would need to have a business. But we're working on that. That's part of the fun.
The X1C and the P1S have been workhorses for us. Between the two of them, they've got thousands of hours.
At least. The H2S is actually Bambu Lab's largest printer. The build plate itself is way larger than the X1C and the P1S. It's 340 millimeters versus 256 millimeters.
That's way better.
So now we don't have to cut things in half when we want to print something large. We don't have to do it in two different printers or on two different print jobs. 3 printers means we could actually keep up in theory.
Moment of truth. This has actually been sitting in our living room for the past 10 days.
Staring at us
Patiently.
very patiently. So we need a knife.
No.
No.
Knife.
No knife?
Pull to unlock the box clip fastener.
These things, right?
You put your finger in, lift and remove the outer box. Keep the box. Always keep your
Always
box.
keep your box.
Bambu always does this thing where the unboxing feels premium. It feels way better than just a thing that melts plastic.
True.
It's really nice.
It is really nice. It's like Christmas all over again.
And the accessory box.
Ooh, I like accessories.
Toolbox. Ooh, spool holder,
Oh.
I believe.
Which we'll lose?
Probably, yes, which we'll lose.
No, we won't. We're gonna put it right on there.
It's gonna be attached. All right.
Oh, man,
Ooh.
that's really nice, actually. That that makes me super happy for
Okay,
some
these-
reason. It's crazy the difference in the size to me, right? Like, I know I know it's bigger, right?
Right,
But to actually have it and
Yeah.
then look at those now, it seems real fun. So pretty. So pretty.
Okay, I have to pick this up now. You can take it.
Yeah. Like a magician. Took that.
Oh.
That's right. I sure can. AMS, kids. Mm-hmm. Sit this guy up on the top of it.
Oh, it looks so little up there.
We're gonna take it and we're gonna put this guy. It says to push it in for approximately 10 centimeters until it stops. That stopped. So yeah, that seems like 10 centimeters.
Yeah, does it?
I mean, I am a human tape measure,
You
so
are.
yes.
Where does this go?
Come on. And then
Goes
that's gonna
here?
go.
Which one of these?
Yep.
Top or bottom?
Looks like top. Okay, I think I
a
see it.
tube in there, yeah.
Okay, So it says if it's in there, if you see it in there, then that's good.
Okay. Cable.
6-pin to the printer.
Here.
That's this one, right? The 6-pin.
Right to the left side of that too.
Mm-hmm. Power it on. Light them up.
Light 'em up.
Boom, boom. Yay. Aw, I played a little tune.
Go to the Bambu Handy app. Go to Devices. Go to Plus. Scan the code.
Scan the code.
Boom.
Man, what did we do before scanning the code? Learn.
Confirm to bind.
Confirm it. Binding.
Binding. Crafted. There we go.
Right.
Name your printer.
Big boy.
Big boy. Please scan the QR code.
To view solutions. All right. Well, that's good. We needed to do something silly.
I mean, yeah. Oh, about this. Moving that out of there.
Oh, is there another one? Yep.
Right here.
Dang it. Yep. Okay. Okay.
We got
May have just
out of there.
solved that on our own. Good job. Good job troubleshooting.
Let's see anything else that says remove.
Nope, I don't see anything. Yeah, we missed the giant red.
Let's try
Okay,
to
let's try to recalibrate.
recalibrate.
Let's see.
That's not quite a good test.
I love this light across the front. That is...
Kit.
Yes! Yes. All you Gen Xers, you get that.
First impressions.
It's beautiful. I love the progress bar. When that thing lit up, my heart lit up.
Error.
And I really do like the new AMS. I mean, it's pretty. You can tell side by side. You can tell that it's roomier.
It's a little bigger.
So when you got to work in there, it's kind of nice.
Yeah. I really like the size of it. Sitting it next to the other two, you can really get the understanding that it's definitely going to have more volume. I'm excited about the size of the things we can get out of that thing.
Yes.
You got a lot of work ahead of you, buddy.
That's right. Welcome to the family.
Welcome to the family. Next video, we're printing the same file on all three machines. So a P1S, an X1C, and the H2S. And we'll see what we see.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. Consider subscribing. We would appreciate it. We're just here having fun.
It's true.
And we'd love to have you along for the ride. If you have any comments or questions on the H2S or either of the other Bambu printers, drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.